In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shiprocket with Shopify. This process will streamline your order fulfillment, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your customers. So, let's dive right in and make your e-commerce operations more efficient. To get started, first, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin account. Once there, navigate your way to the Apps section, which you can usually find on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where you'll be installing the necessary integration with Shiprocket. Next, in the Apps section, you'll see an option to visit the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on that. In the search bar at the top of the App Store, type in Shiprocket and hit Enter. The app you're looking for will appear in the results. Click on it, and you should see an option to install the Shiprocket app. Go ahead and click Add App to begin the installation process. After you've initiated the installation, Shopify will ask you to confirm that you want to install Shiprocket for your store. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct Shopify account to avoid any issues. Once confirmed, you'll be redirected to Shiprocket's authentication page. Here, you will need to log in with your Shiprocket account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, this would be the perfect time to create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts. Once you're logged in, Shiprocket will ask for permission to integrate with your Shopify store. You'll want to approve this step to allow Shiprocket to manage your orders and shipments effectively. Upon the successful connection, you'll find yourself back on your Shiprocket dashboard, where you can start syncing your Shopify store data with Shiprocket. This will include pulling in details like customer information, order numbers, and more. To do this, look for the Channel settings within Shiprocket. This is where you'll add Shopify as your selling channel. Make sure to double-check that all your store details are correct during this synchronization to prevent any mishaps with order processing. Once that's set up, it's good practice to configure your shipping settings within Shiprocket. Here, you can determine which couriers you'd like to use, set up shipping zones, and create shipping rules based on your specific needs. Finally, do a test order to ensure that everything is functioning smoothly. This is a crucial step as it allows you to catch any potential problems and see exactly how orders will flow from Shopify to Shiprocket. If everything is working as expected, you're all set to begin fully automating your order fulfillment process. By integrating Shiprocket with Shopify, you're setting your business up for more efficient order management and improved customer satisfaction. It's really that simple, and it'll save you heaps of time that you can now put towards growing your business even further. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time.